salutations. We bring you greetings from the International Anglican Orthodox Episcopal Communion when I serve as Primate, Chief Protector, and Archbishop. Me and the International Elect Lady, Abbess Mother, we really are excited about what's going on in the God-blessed country of India. We bring greetings to Pastor and our Overseer Timothy and all that he does on behalf of the communion. I want to say to the pastors that we welcome you all aboard our communion. We're concerned about you all in India, and we look forward in the near future to see each of you all as you all bring prosperity to your all's ministry. We want to say that we represent convergence, independence, non-judgmental, and convergence in a real sense of what it's about. So we just want to say hello and greet each of the pastors' wives, the various leaders in India, and we're glad to have you part of our communion. You bring great strength to what we are doing as a communion. So we want to reach out and say hello to each of you all. We appreciate you all. Pastor Timothy is our overseer of the International Anglican Orthodox Episcopal Communion. He's the point person for information as it relates to our communion. We ask that each pastor get in contact with Pastor Timothy, our overseer, and get all the needed information as it relates to our communion. We greet you in divine love, and God bless you. And I'm going to just let my wife, the Abbess Mother, our International Elect Lady, say hello to each of you all. Abbess Mother, say hello.
Well, greetings and salutations to all of the ministry leaders that are working under the leadership of Pastor Timothy, Overseer Timothy, on the behalf of the International Anglican Orthodox Episcopal Communion. We greet you in much love. Now, we have been in dialogue with Pastor Timothy for a while now, and we felt that it was time now for us to actually greet each of you. And it's, sometimes we like to say that a picture is worth 1,000 words. Well, a video is worth even more. So we wanted to come together, my husband and I, and be able to give you greetings and salutations. And we look forward to supporting you in every way possible for us to help you with the church planting, your ministry, their ministry focus, and to work all together as one, because we are working together for the kingdom of God. And then second, as I operate as the advisor for the economic development, I'm in concert with your overseer, Pastor Timothy, in regards to getting him properly educated for economic development and learning more about currency, gold currency. So you'll be hearing more about gold currency as he speak with each of the leaders within the villages and within the various ministries about learning about gold currency. Now, that's all I'll speak about that. I will be having dialogue along with my husband as well as Pastor Timothy as we bring forth this education about economic development. We know that it takes money, finances, and resources for ministries to thrive. And God is no respecter of person of being able to share information, wealth building information, education, so that you all as ministry leaders can empower yourselves. So we stand together in concert in getting this information to you all. So you'll be hearing more information from your overseer of India for the International Anglican Orthodox Episcopal Communion for that information. So passing it back over to you, honey.
Thank you, sweetheart. That's really exciting, and we are glad to have Pastor Timothy. I want to say to all the pastors that's out there in the God-blessed country of India, I have decided to appoint Pastor Timothy as our liaison, our leader as it relates to our communion over there in that country. We ask that each pastor dialogue with Pastor Timothy, get him the necessary information that you need. We ask that you fill out your applications. Pastor Timothy is in concert with our office. here in the United States of America to make sure you get real-time information as it relates to our communion. So get your applications filled out. He has the information for you to be part of this communion and this church family. I want to say to each leader out there, we understand where you're at. We've been there. We've been there in the sense of being able to strive for various economic developments, to build your ministry, your church, to make sure you're doing something for your youth, for your seniors, for your singles, for your married couples and families. We in the International Anglican Communion want to make sure that time information as it relates to our communion. We welcome you aboard our communion. Be sure you contact our international overseer there in India, and he will dialogue with us here stateside to make sure you have the tools that you need. Again, welcome aboard our communion, and as we always say, trust, integrity, and God's accountability. God bless you. We love you. Be in peace. The Lord be with you.
The Lord be with you.